Okay, this is Team 4's final project. What we planned to do was for our final project, we decided to create an app that functioned as a to-do list for a company. So with the to-do list, you have different priority of tasks, either low, medium, or high. High meaning the task needs to be done as quickly as possible, and low meaning the task, other priority tasks can be done before that. Um, well, this is the schematic that we had was that the to-do list was to be a text file, and those text files will be what the task is supposed to be. Like it could be anything like break down boxes or deliver this package or whatever it may be, because it could be used for that. So for the team makeup, the responsibilities, well, the slideshow and the stack creation, that was pretty much me, and the videos being done by me as well. Javon was supposed to do the main activity and XML creation. Manuel was supposed to do the broadcast receiver creation, since the project was his idea. Um, we had more team members, but most of the team unfortunately had to drop. The challenges was with this project was coordinating the whole project via Slack and on everybody's different schedules proved to be too much for the team, unfortunately. Android is difficult during the short time that we have to absorb the material, then work fiercely to build an app. And also, we had a human resources issue became a last minute issue due to classmates dropping the course. We started out as at 5, and we are at least one person left or two. I'm not exactly sure right now. So the lessons that we learned, or I learned, was that teamwork makes the dream work. If you start off with a team of people and you start losing members of your team projects, it takes longer to work on the project, especially when you lose team members who had the idea for the project in the first place. Communication also is key. Without it, you have organized chaos. Everyone knows what he or she is doing except for everybody else. Clarity of hindsight. The only thing anyone has control of is their own personal effort. You cannot control the people, projects, or situations. Leadership is as important as team building. Delegation is good when you have lack skills in the area where someone else excels in. And also, do not be afraid to ask for help when needed. I can only speak of proud accomplishments of what, from my own personal insight, is that I, for one, learned that with software engineering, that organization, teamwork, leadership, and human resources are different keys to success in any one project. An individual can only get but so far by him or herself. The human element is the key ingredient to success in any project. It's not just code or machine instructions, plus just hours of labor and sleepless nights. Uh, the code, fortunately, has too many errors because I only did the stat creation in the interface and try to include it in the main activity here. Uh, I originally wanted the design to look sort of like this right here. So pretty much you enter the task name there. You enter the stuff that you need to do in this field here, and then you label how high it is to do on the priority. It could be high, medium, low. And then you save it, and then you're supposed to go to another activity, which I didn't have time to do, unfortunately. And so when you try to run it, I don't really think anything is going to really appear here. But we'll see what happens. and the app crashes, unfortunately. Um, let's see. Well, I guess this concludes my presentation. So, thank you for your time and attention, and have a nice summer.